getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get these beachy wave curls in my hair. This is what works best for me. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm not a hairstylist. This is just the tips that I have learned switching up. I've switched up the way that I've curled my hair many times, and this is the one that I keep going back to. This is the way I like to curl my hair, and this is the way that I like my hair to look when I curl it. I don't normally do hair tutorial videos, but I thought I would just throw this one in there. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see how I curl my hair, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to show my hair is so poofy when I blow dry it, but today I'm going to show you how I normally curl my hair. I don't think I've ever done a video like this. I don't think I've ever done like a hair tutorial, but I actually really like the way that I have been curling my hair lately, and so I figured I might as well show you guys. My hair is so poofy. Okay guys, so I started out with this Orlando Pita Play. It is a hair protectant treatment spray, and I spray this when my hair is damp, and then if I use a blow dryer or anything, it's supposed to help with that. First thing I do is brush out my hair. Start by sectioning it off. I do 3 or 4 sections when doing my hair. Okay, I start off with bigger pieces on the bottom, like about this. I think I do 4 pieces on the whole bottom half. And what I use to curl my hair is this weird, I'm pretty sure it's not even sold anymore, but this is, from what I can kind of read from this rubbed off, it is Revlon, and it actually, you can lock it so that it is like a curling wand, or you can unlock it and it's actually a straightener. So I actually love this. I use it to straighten my hair and I use it to curl my hair. So I just take this and I curl away from my face. So I just take it like this and I wrap my hair. I don't have a big enough mirror. And I leave it on for anywhere from 10 to 15 seconds. Like that. And I just leave it and let it set while it cools off. Same thing to this side, wrapping it away from my face. I do my hair pretty much away from my face, and then it meets in the middle. I don't go and switch the rotation of doing it. Okay, and then I unlock this. See me? So I just take the ends of my hair and I straighten them. Same thing with this. I don't comb the curls out or anything. I just straighten out the ends like that. And then I go and do that to the rest of my hair. get to about the middle of my hair, I do smaller pieces. So I'll do about 6 to 8 pieces. The bottom 2 layers I do about 4 pieces each. Then I just do a little bit smaller layers on the next few. Basically, I just start with bigger chunks of hair on the bottom and slowly make them a little bit smaller. I don't want them too tiny. This is probably the smallest I will go. Now, if you had straight hair, my hair's poofy and it can be curly when I like scrunch it. But if you have straight hair, you could just leave the last couple inches of your hair out like this when you're curling, but my hair is not straight, so I just end up straightening the ends, and that gives the hair a more beachy wave. This is basically the best way that I've found to curl my hair. And also sometimes I notice my hair looks a lot shorter if I just curl it. Like right there is where my hair is when it's curled like this. But by straightening the ends, it still gives you a little more length than if you would just normally curl it. So then for the last layer, so then I start with this side. I actually end up, because you see how actually you probably can't see, my hair gets pretty frizzy, as you saw at the beginning of the video. So when I curl my hair like this, I actually end up straightening the very top to get it a little smoother. After you have a baby too, you go through like this postpartum shed where you like lose so much hair. And I feel like now my hair is growing back, so I have so many baby hairs throughout all of my hair. Throughout my like entire head of hair, I have just these baby hairs. See, all over. There's these ones. So I have a lot of flyaways. If I feel like they're being too crazy, I will hairspray my hair, but normally I don't like to hairspray my hair. I don't like putting a lot of product on my hair. I don't like the way my hair feels, and my hair actually holds curl really well. Like I can curl my hair today, sleep on it, and still wear it curly tomorrow and just have to brush it out. I start to get closer to my face like this. On this last layer, I don't go all the way to my scalp. I start about 1/3 of the way down. I am not a hairstylist. I'm not a hairdresser. This is just what I have found works best for me curling my hair. The best way for me to get the waves and the look that I like. I feel like that's what makes the biggest difference in my hair, is when I straighten the ends. Okay, so my hair is all curled. It took about 20 minutes from what I can see on the camera, and that was talking through it and everything. So I let my hair cool off. You can leave it like this if you like this look. I let my hair cool off. That's why I don't brush it out as I'm doing it, and then I'll brush it out right at the end with my fingers. Like this. And this is the look that I like. Or you can just leave it like this if you like it. But this is the difference in, and I just combed my fingers through it. Like this. If you want more volume in your hair, you can actually go to the middle and back comb just a little bit like that, and that gives you more volume like that. And then just comb through it a little bit. You can go ahead and spray your hair with hairspray. Like I said, I don't really like to put product in my hair. My hair holds a curl really well, so I don't have to worry about the curls falling, and I actually normally like second day hair after I curl it. So this is how I kind of get beachy waves in for my hair. This is what works best for me. Let me know down below what you guys do, what products you use. What is your favorite curling iron or curling wand? Go ahead and leave those all down below in the comment section so I can check it out. I actually love my Revlon one. I don't know where I got it. I don't know how old it is, and I don't even know if you can still buy it, but that's the one that I use. It's like a 2-in-1. It's a curling wand and it's a straightener, so it makes this process actually really easy. I did film this makeup look kind of. It was testing out my May BoxyCharm items. So if you want to see that, I will link it down below and in the eye over here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so that I know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.